Welcome everyone. Today we will be looking at the Koss KPH30I set of headphones in the clear colorway. I will be unboxing and giving my first impressions of them overall. As part of my first impressions, I will be going over the components and how they feel. The components include the headband, the drivers, the ear pads, the cable, as well as the mic. Starting off with the unboxing, we find that the outside packaging is of good quality and easy to get into. Unlike the ubiquitous plastic clamshell packaging seen everywhere, this box is easily opened by either cutting or removing the adhesive stickers holding everything shut. When pulling out the headphones, they will be set into a plastic shell, but not held in with any fasteners. The plastic simply pops out of the friction points and releases the cabling to the headphones. Speaking of the cables, they are rubberized and feel substantial. The leads to each individual driver are equal in length. The mic is attached to the left side driver. Moving on to said drivers, they are visible through the plastic body of the headphones and are color-coded for easy identification. Left is blue and right is red. Covering the drivers are a firm and stable set of rear pads. While not the squishiest and most plush, they certainly provide enough cushion for enjoyable listening. The headband is the final major component to the headphones, and it does not disappoint. With a supple and quality band of matching frosted clear rubber, the headband allows for the headphones to sit comfortably on the head without too much pressure being placed. Overall, for $30, these headphones are a knockout with build quality. A more thorough review of the headphones will be coming, which will go over the sound and performance of the headphones in detail. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye all.